How to share Audiate projects. First of all, open your Audiate project and make sure everything is saved and finalized. Next, go to the top menu and select the export option. Audiate lets you export your project in three main ways: as an audio file, as a script, or by exporting directly to Camtasia for further editing. If you want to share the audio only, export it as an audio file in formats like MP3 or WAV. This is perfect if the recipient just needs the final sound without any edits. If you want to share the transcript or script for review or collaboration, export the script as a text file. This allows others to see the words exactly as they appear in your project. Another useful way to share is by exporting your project to Camtasia. This sends your audio along with the transcript markers into Camtasia's video editor, which is great if the person you are sharing with wants to do video editing or add visuals. Once you have exported your files, you can share them easily via email, cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or any file sharing method you prefer. Just make sure the recipient has access to the files and knows what types of export you sent. And that's it. Now you know how to share Audiate projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.